start Alkaline. What you mean by what is a gauge? And you say you're on the streets and you don't know what is a gauge. Put 12 and understand. Or if you don't know what is a gauge, and then there are shades on the beach. You understand? Me did their sunfest when the bodies and the youngest come out and look like the dumbest.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Oh, go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know when we are fall, we are reason we are talk about facts. But people, we are going to a cemetery again. We are going to dig up Gage. Zane, because me say them can't even find him. Miss not a Dancehall. Zane? Yeah, man. But you don't know Alkaline the forward and say. I mean, you don't know. Me go play this and make you see what I go on. You see?
What is a gauge? I mean, you don't know. I mean, the little artists them try them thing, but you don't know levels. You have levels to this thing.
And these are the thing, you know, people. When Alkaline say levels, are levels, you know. You see what Alkaline thing and him levels where him depend in a 2025. Him have him own show, new rules and one bag of thing. Zane, you know the thing set. Zane, and you see the work Alkaline put in. All of them with this Alkaline. They missing out a dancehall, forgotten. Yeah, man. Alkaline still a reign today. Everything. See? And this are the thing, people. No matter what them do, no matter what them try fight, them can't this Alkaline. You see it? But Gage it forward out an answer to this. Is what me I try to say. But we are going to hear what Gage say. You understand? We have to expose something, you know. Zine, we have to expose something. You see me? So, we're going to play that clip here, people. And hear what you say.
What you mean by what is a gauge? And you say you're on the streets and you don't know what is a gauge. Put 12 and understand. Or if you don't know what is a gauge, and then there are shades on the beach. You understand? Me did their sunfest when the bodies and the youngest come out and look like the dumbest. You understand? So the fuck them to say them body never kill family. You never.
Brother, something wrong with you. Alkaline shell down Tommy Lee, brother. Right now, Tommy Lee a beg phone light in a taboo. Right now. Phone light him a beg in a taboo. You understand? Yeah, man, phone light him a beg in a taboo. Right now, Tommy Lee thing Lily. Tommy Lee thing rub out. You understand? As Alkaline say, my rug rat to the thing. You see it? Yeah, man, nothing to do with Tommy Lee right now. You see it? Tommy Lee thing Lily. Lily to the vendetta boss. You see me? Him not even in the talk right now. You see me? Yeah, man. Him not in the talk.
Kill right now. Me can't say my bad. Dead.
Gage, you not bad. May I tell you? You not bad, brother. Cause we see what Shanstorm do to you. You see it? You not bad.
Dead. You understand? You never kill nobody. You make a run.
Let me tell you this. Alkaline shell down. Popcorn and the 6 them. You know see 6M turn 0 now. That the one everybody have to go separate ways. That's when you shell down a group. You understand? Right now, a federal hold one of them. Them about 50 behind bars. You understand? Tell it up. Is what me I try to say? 6 robot, man. Is him right now if you say 6 no girl no want you. I tell you that. Back then he could have gone, but no now again. You see me? Yeah, man. That are the thing. So, you have to just look on the thing and say, alright. That are gone. Everybody who try to run up, man, get dead, man. You understand? Who all can answer? Them not really worried. Them not really ready yet.
Minister up on you and this year you look like nobody.
I don't know who you talk about right minister. How name so? People, in a comment, tell me, how name right minister? Because I don't know, you know. I don't really know who name right minister right now. Is what I try to say. Where am there? We can't see him. How go on? Me not even know his name so much less. So me don't know which Prime Minister run up on Alkaline. At first, me I hear about this. You understand? I'm not ready, brother. I'm not ready at all. Me I tell you no. I'm not ready, man.
You can't diss the killers them. You can't diss my body. You can't diss.
Me not know what you talk about still, cause me not see Alkaline this mother. Mother rate Alkaline because I'm so them a fight the youth, them fight the youth and thing. Is what my choice is so. Me no know mother though. Me no know Alkaline always a big up mother though. You understand? Yeah, so me don't know where you get that.
Bounty killer. You can't this vibe start.
Well, bounty killer thing. Me no know from the get go. Me no know Alkaline or this bounty killer. Bounty killer getting them feelings. And I chat one bag of thing about him a tell woman for ray and people for keep this in a bedroom or whatsoever. You don't know if him thing already. You see me, in my culture police thing, him going like him want to run everybody career and one bag of thing. You understand? So, I don't really know what you talk about, brother. You see me? Bounty this Alkaline, ask Alkaline this him back. If Bounty never this Alkaline, you understand? Alkaline would pay him no mind. The cartel thing now, Zine, can't remember in a gauge. Zine, remember when I time, you know, you even run out, you see it, and thing not end well with you. You understand? Yeah, man, but cartel thing, brother, them just want to tie Alkaline to cartel thing, brother, because Alkaline about to cartel, so them a try say Alkaline thing him follow and way. You understand? Because you more for follow cartel thing, we see what go on. You see it? Yeah, man.
No, that's if you say about. No artist never killing at the business.
Brother, no bother with it. Shell down Popcorn and shell down the six them. Run out on couple artists, them no answer, them have to just easy themselves. Everybody a coward, brother. Everybody a coward, brother. Even MASICKA. Coward that Alkaline run out with open a brain. We can't find him. Him run out of breath till all. Him say him a focus on label. You see it? Yeah, man, that him say him a deal with, so. We say, alright, you. Him call him, be the man for help him when the man ask him about when him think about the clash, him dead like alcohol youth, sit down. Cause him say him a good youth. You see it? Bounty say how that pass, so we don't really know what go on. You see it? Yeah, man. So, people, we are going to see what I say.
I want to me not walk on you like a stepson. You get it? I don't know, so I don't talk to people because some boys them famous and even famous like the nightclub. When you talk about famous, you have to talk about bounty killer.
Brother, Alkaline thing up on a level right now. If Alkaline never famous, he could have him own shows. Alkaline move like a superstar. You understand? If you're checking at media right now, people can tell you. World Dog tell you. Enough people come tell you. Business, Joe can come tell you. The man they move like superstar, brother. You understand? What you mean? What you mean if a man famous? Man a shell down show all about. You understand what you talk about?
You have to talk about Five Star. You have to talk about Beanie Man. That's to talk about Mafia. You understand? You have to talk about artists who send the way. You have to talk about the Marlies them. Famous for you to know what is famous. I don't know if you mean famous like the nightclub. Here we are.
I really know which nightclub you talk about, you know. See? I must be the one where you go. Cause you say down in a throat. You understand?
I hear you represent Alkaline. You still keep the coin. I told you that coin need to come. Boy turn fool and I run up and
So we the people. You must say, boy turn fool and I run up and down. But people, you remember a little clash when go with Sean Storm? You know come look ya. Come look pan this. Look who I talk about run. Look ya now.
when me hear information say such man or such man want do me things, you say, you know what? You say if a power struggle and at this place that them a fight for, me a cut, you know. Me a cut. Me not tell you so, cause town never sleep, bro. And me not sleep, bro. Me need activity right through. So me say, you know what? Me cut. Me can't go me busy. Wait.
So we are the people. Him and Sean Storm going a lyrical clash. And Sean Storm make him run for him place. Him have to lift up from Clarendon. Yeah, man. You have to lift up, man. I tell you have to lift up. But people, me I wonder if you no remember, this are the thing, you know, when I play the long video where they try this Alkaline, you know. Zine, I'm a forward, and if forward now. Zine can look at now, you know. Alkaline a dominate the space, you know, but nobody know to pay him no mind. But look who him got do hairstyle like and start look like man now. Zine, wanna pre your people, pre-wagwan. Look
I
at.
now to prove myself, say, what is a gauge anymore. You understand? And that was never the plan to prove to from a twig to a pig. You know, make no sense.
Why? You don't know who you that talk to this, you know. From tweet to a pig, you know. Cause it look like you get it too, name them right now. Cause you look on yourself and career right now. You understand? You know, look good, brother. You see me? So you a tweet and a pig and a ray. But you say you a TikTok. A tick and a tack you do right now, brother. You understand?
So prove to him what is a gauge, you understand? Because the world big. You understand? And from a twig to a pig.
The world big, yes, but you still have to run from your place. Yeah? You still have to run from your place. And you have to all run from dancehall too. Kind of TikTok, so your world small.
Good. You understand?
You built a career. You say when you were going to school.
But this are the thing, you know, people. This are when, you know, him go dress up like Cartel and whatsoever. One look like Cartel thing, say, yo, him a go get the highlight and one bag of thing. See? All of that, you know. You see me? And it shows, say, yo, brother, we not ready yet, dog. We not ready yet at all. Me I tell you now. We not ready yet. You see it? Cause when you check certain level people, them money come out and chat one bag of thing, bro. Right now, Gage thing Lily. Right now, we're not even too simple on TikTok, but right now, a TikTok thing, man, thing there. You understand? A TikTok thing. You gotta hear him, I say.
Them no mean shit. Okay? Yes, so just in case you don't have a higher thinking than me than if you have, please dumb it down a little bit.
Yo, this, you know, people, this is when your career flap, you know. This is when your career flap, you know, people. You understand? Yeah, man, this is when your career flap, man, and you just turn Google head and gigi head. You understand? I said chat one bag of thing pan the media. Just to get a little taps and roses. Career get put pan shot. You understand? Yeah, man. But if him see him way where him can make a money, cause I not think him I don't think nobody go book him for no show right now, no, cause no song or nothing really still. So if him can go and make two taps and roses or whatsoever on TikTok, do your thing, brother. You understand? Can't stop a man from doing him food. You see it?
That shit down, cause them tattoo ya, most of them are idleness.
You see what me I try to say, people, so it thing rough out there. As an artist, you know, you have to strong, you know, people. You have to strong. If you're not strong in the business, it not go work. You understand? Cause remember, you know, when Alkaline forward and say, yo, and tell Whitford, say, yo, look here. I'm going to play the video, people. You see it? I play the video and make you see what I go on. See it?
So you consider yourself the front runner in that little group of Gage, Tommy Lee,
Stop this.
MASICKA.
This is the thing, you know. So Winford I try compare the man with Tommy Lee, Gage and MASICKA and Ray. The man if you pause him, this brother, you can't do that, bro. Look at Alkaline today. Out of Gage, Tommy Lee and MASICKA and Alkaline. Who for thing they on a level? Right now. You understand? Who keep them own a show? Who are sell out arenas? Alkaline I do it different level, different ball game. You understand? We set bars. Is what me I try to say? You know the haters are got hate and every little thing. But a real thing Alkaline talk. Thing Lily.
Hey. No, man. What you doing?
No?
No, man. Lily up data boss thing. You can't do that, brother. You can't do that.
That Lily.
That Lily?
Yeah.
What that mean?
Man. You couldn't really want to put me in them category. Winford, come on, man.
Okay.
Winford, you diss the man. You can't put the man name in an Alkaline category, brother. Look at the man thing today. You know see? All of them last, all who were this last, brother. You understand? Right now, MASICKA battery a run out right now. You understand? Nothing really did it. You see what me and them not dip Alkaline 11, brother. You know see? Alkaline are keeping big shows them right now. None of them not have none. You understand? One a ask the phone light. You see me? One a beg tops and roses. Zine. And the other one a look strength. You understand? Yeah man, you know what things said.
So when I say a joke thing, like, ask the people, them, really? We shouldn't even talk about this right now.
Yeah man, you get the data boss angry man. You can't do that, Winford. Wrong thing you do man. You can't do that man. Can't this the boss. You see it? Yeah man, you can't this the boss thing. You know what thing said. You see me? You know what thing said. Cause it thing rough. Rough out there man, I tell you. But people, forwarding up, you know. Remember how Gage that go on like him want this Alkaline Ray and this, that, you know. But look now, this is when you know say alright. You say remember you know, Gage that say Ray, you know. Seeing people?
Who the clown?
Gage that say yo. Remember say Gage that say yo, the man not famous. The man thing at the panel level. Ray, this, that. Zine? Remember now, you know. Remember now, you know, people. Pre this now, you know. Look on the same man today in the modern time area.
Yo, this kind of hard. Young king of dance, young king of dance. Well, I see Alkaline are going good. You know what I mean? Like,
yo, you hear what man I say? You hear what man I say, people? These are the thing, you know. See? Man I say, yo, Alkaline a young king. So now him I realize, say, look ya. You know, say, me never dip on Alkaline level. Me never dip on Alkaline level, you know. For real, me never dip on Alkaline level, for real. Now him I realize and I see what I want. You understand? And I say, yo, Alkaline do it. Because Alkaline go through the fight and everything. Him not survive. You see it?
Usha going good. Young king at that, bro.
Yeah. Yo, you did it easy, you know.
Yo, me see Usha going good.
Who?
Alkaline, me see Alkaline are going to pick up because MASICKA do him thing, but the thing is this as a king.
Yeah.
If you say some things when you're poor, like if when you're poor you say you're bad, when you're rich I think you're for bad to
Alright, me I tell you why I'm say that, people. It's because, remember, you know, when MASICKA never boss yet, and him a go after everybody and Ray. Remember, you know, him and Alkaline never really have nothing. Him just want running a hype and running a Alkaline hype and thing. So, them time them a look at Stripe and want war and everything and Ray. So, man I say, yo, when you did poor, you da run out and Ray and want war. So now, true, you don't know label sign him and everything, you know. Zine? And now, when him for war, him a talk about, yo, him a focus on bigger picture and Ray signing. So, Gage a say, yo, if you're poor, I either look for that something and then when you get rich, you're supposed to look for the same. You understand? So, he must say, yo, man a run. Through him thing, reach pan a level now, you for war same way. You understand? So, man a say, yo, me see Alkaline a do him thing. Him see Alkaline a shell down popcorn, go off a popcorn, and him see the thing when him throw him jams off a Cartel and Ray, and him see him deal with the six them away. You understand? So, that's why man a say, yo, Alka.
you did say it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you have to maintain that.
If you picked all of them trouble and when the money come now you be like, nah, you're not picking no trouble, it's good. You know that not really working at the answer, you know what I mean? So, Alkaline a shoot the fire there hard, you know, I never see him start push the fire, you know.
So you're gonna leave it up.
Yeah, me not say Alkaline, me not.
Yeah, man. Me I tell you people. I saw you thing said, you have to give Alkaline credit. And see there? Remember, this was the same man who attack. And I sent talk off of Alka and him I said, this and Alka and reach, yes and Ray. I see a man now, I give Alkaline credit. Show us the Alkaline thing different. You understand? And him have to just, yo, go on easy over this and park up on certain little things and can't do certain little things. You understand? Yeah, man. I just saw the thing said, you see it? Him have to just go and do him thing and, you know? Him thing just finish and I just see things said people, you see me, just not work. You see it? Yeah, man. But we have to make the people them know. You see, as an artist, and when him do wrong to, you know, people. Zine, when him do wrong to, you know. You see this imitate thing where I try fall off a cartel thing. Brother, I better you just do your thing. And this you drop the ball, brother. You understand? This you drop the ball. You see it, and worse, you and a man catch up in a ray and man make it run leave your place. And me know, you see what I try to say, so I saw things said, brother, you just never build feet, you see me? But people that don't know in a media facts, you know, we just come forward for talk certain things, you see me? Yeah, man. I just, that is it. Yeah. Out.